patunay ito. Punta natin si Kwan. Si Sir Yayam. May post si Sir Yayam eh. Tungkol sa bank account na. Tingnan nyo dito pa lang, alam na this. Ito, post si Sir Yayam. Ito yung bank account na yun. May pinusi ko Sana nandito pa. Ito yan kailan to? May 22, 2025. Latest lang to, kailan lang to? Few days ago. Last week lang yan magkano ang dineposit sa account? 500 pesos. Tinesting lang may nagdeposit tinanggap. So meaning kasi kung hindi tatanggapin to, meaning peke, successful yung pag-transfer. Kahit piso, may nag-transfer, bank account. Transfer to bank account. Di ba? So meaning legit. Tatanggapin. Anong sabi dito ni Sir Yayam? Basahin natin. Sinabi ni Sir Yayam. That is 21 hours ago. Sir Yayam, pati pahiram tong post mo Total na post mo naman hiramin ko muna. Asan na? Naitaas ko yan. Ito. Sabi Sir Yayam. Okay, an open letter to the Senate President Cheese Escudero. Mr. Senate President, open letter pala kay Cheese. Pwede ba lumaki to? Nako. Pinalaki ko nga lalo namang Kwan. Sige, pagtiyagaan natin to kay Sir Yayam. Pagtiyagaan natin to. Ito. An open letter ito. Yan, at least nakikita nyo, nababasa nyo rin, Maabsat. Again, shoutout sa 361. Sa mga hindi pa nag-like and subscribe, like and subscribe tayo, Maabsat. Wala pong bayad yan, guys. Road to 100,000 na tayo. Baka naman. Okay. An open letter to the Senate President Cheese Escudero. Mr. President, your recent actions, or rather, your conspicuous inaction have left the Filipino people both bewildered and incensed. You who swore to uphold the Constitution and serve the people now appear to be more concerned with preserving your own seat of power than delivering justice. Bigat naman ang sinabi sa Yayam. Let us begin with your curious interpretation of the word ito na naman, forthwith ilan ba? Di ba? Alam naman ni Cheese Escudero yan. Kwan siya, abogado siya. Ano niya ibig sabihin ng forthwith in the Constitution? The Charter clearly states that upon the receipt of articles of impeachment, the Senate must proceed forthwith to trial without any delay sa trial. Ganun lang ibig sabihin niya. Yet, you have chosen to reset it on June 2, date you yourself previously announced. What does forthwith means to you, Mr. Senate President? Senate President. In the plain language of the people, it means without delay. It does not mean whenever it suits your political calculations. Hello, grabe. Your decisions to delay the impeachment trial has led many suspect that you are merely acquiescing to the camp of Vice President Sara Duterte. It is the people's belief and sentiments that grows louder each day that this delay is calculated to secure votes for a not guilty verdict, ensuring your continued reign as a Senate President. In doing so, you trample on the very principle that the Senate is a court of people, not a pound of powerful. Aray ko po. Ang lalim ng sa mga wordings ito ni Sir Yayam. Do you and your colleagues not understand that are there to serve the people and not to wish of the Dutertes? The allegations against the Vice President as spelled out in the articles of impeachment are grave and demand nothing less than the truth to deny the people their day of reckoning. To postpone or water down these proceedings, it is a betrayal of your oath and as a front of democracy itself. We remind you, Mr. President, that the Senate is not your personal field dome, nor it is an instrument of shield political allies from accountability. The people deserve to know the truth. They deserve switch and decisive action, not endless maneuvering designed to placate the powerful. History will remember where you stood in hour of crisis. We hope for the sake of our democracy that you find the courage to stand with the people, not with those who would undermine them. Sincerely, the concerned citizens is confused with the Senate of the Philippines' real role in the democracy. P.S. I am attaching a deposit slip. Ito na, oh, ito na. I am attaching deposit slip for the account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte, which prove pinapatunayan that the bank account mentioned by Senator Trillanes allegedly containing 2 billion and more or billions of laundered money exists. Nag-i-exist. Di ba mga kapsat? Nag-i-exist yung mga ganong bank account. Kasi kapag hindi naman mag-error yun, hindi tatanggapin ng bangko. Pag mali yung mga account number, hindi siya mag-exist. Tapos na pangalang Rodrigo Roa Duterte and Sara Duterte. And thus, a private citizen, I demand to know the truth behind such allegations that the Senate action is as an impeachment court without further delay. O, ito yung mga bank accounts, oh. Oops, sadam ka, no? Ayan, oh. Oh, dyan yung bank account. Oh, you know, oh, yan, kitang-kita yung bank account. Magkano? 500, nag-deposit. Kailan? May 22, 2025. Oh, di ba? Ito pa, meron pa, oh. Pares lang ba yan? O, pares lang. O, yan, oh. Print screen nyo na. O, di ba? Isa ito sa mga bank accounts na nilabas ni Trillanes. Bakit tinanggap ng bangko? O, meron pa to piso. O. May nag-transfer ng 1 peso. Successful transfer. Oh my G. O, di ba? Yan yung sinasabi natin, yan yung sinasabi natin na kinakatakutan. Kasi once nag-umpisa yung impeachment, wala nang magagawa kundi kalkalin yung mga bank accounts na yan. Not unless merong pipigil. Kasi ayaw nilang mabuking, ayaw nilang makita ang katotohanan na merong ganyang account, na merong ganyan mga 71 accounts na pumasok. Yun ay according to Trillanes pa lang yun. Eh, what if yung mga iba? Kay Trillanes pa lang. Diba? Ang dami na. Sabi ko, isa lang mapatunayan dun. Masisira talaga. Sabi na natin, ma-acquit siya. Pero yung katotohanan, malaking bahay dyan sa pangalan niya. Ngayon, magtitiwala pa kayo. So, ayan mga kapsat. Ayan lang. Yan lang naman mga kapsat ang ating topic. May gusto ko isingit dito kasi hindi siya political eh. Singit ko ba? Wag na natin singit. Ayan mo na. Kawawa naman. Gusto ko sana isingit si Ivana Alawi. Alam ko, aware na kayo kay Ivana Alawi, di ba, mga kapsat? Kinasuhan si Ivana, mga kapsat. Ivana! Sa bagay, connected naman sa political. Sa politika eh. Ay, topic ba natin? Wag na. Tragis. So, ayan muna, kapsat. Lunch break muna tayo. Gutom na si maestro. No? Diba, mga kapsat? Okay na ba? Mag-lunch break muna tayo. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch break, mga kapsat. Wala pa tayong break. So, it's already 1:11. No? O, sabi ni Benten, wag na daw. O, okay mo? Ayan na natin si Ivana. Kahit na mayor, congressman na ba? Putragis, nakakahiya yun. No? Sayang. Ivana pa man din. But anyway, kapsat, again, maraming salamat. 332 viewers, mapsat. Hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits tayo sa ating next live stream. Road to 1,000 subscriber na tayo, Mamsat. No? Baka naman. Diba? Like, and subscribe, Mamsat. Again, thank you very much. Kita-kits tayo sa ating next live stream. Shoutout po sa lahat po naman nandito, especially sa ating mga moderators. Baka matulad ka kay Joseph Estrada, hindi binuksan yung, baka matulad, ayun nga, nagalit yung tao kasi hindi binuksan yung second envelope. Ganun nga. Hindi binuksan yung mga bank accounts. Hindi binuksan yung SALN. Diba? So, magre-resign na lang si Sara. Pwedeng ganun. Pwede kasi hindi nga natin na rin, diba? Pero tingnan natin. Naglalaro to mga senador na to eh. Diba? Biro mo, ganun mga statement nila. But anyway, again, thank you very much. Good morning. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. Kita-kits tayo mamaya ulit sa ating next live stream. Kakain lang si Maestro Hamstad, gutom na. Nararamdaman ko na kruk, 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 gumagano na. At again, thank you very much. Road to 1,000 100,000 subscriber na tayo. Thank you very much, Hamstad. Hanggang sa muli, kita-kits tayo mamaya. Bye-bye.